In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply fields in Docusign. Whether you're new to this platform or simply looking to streamline your document process, this step-by-step guide will help you get started with ease and confidence. First things first, you need to navigate to Docusign. If you're already logged into your account, head over to the home page. This is where you'll find all your documents and agreements. It's the central hub for all your Docusign activities, and from here, you'll be able to access and manage your documents efficiently. Next, you'll want to go to the Agreements section. This is your go-to place for handling drafts, signed documents, and documents that are in progress. For this demonstration, I'll guide you through the Drafts option. The Drafts section allows you to work on documents that are still in the editing phase, giving you the flexibility to make changes as needed before they are sent out for signing. Once you're in the Drafts section, you should find the document that you want to work on and then click on the Continue button. This action will take you to the editorial page, where you can make necessary adjustments and customizations to your document. Now you're in the editing phase, which is an essential part of setting up your document with all the needed fields before sending it out. On the left side of the editorial page, you'll notice the Fields menu. This menu is your toolbox for adding various fields to your document. Fields are crucial as they direct the signer where to input information like dates, signatures, and initials. You can drag and drop any of these fields onto your document, adjusting their size and position to suit your needs perfectly. Each field can be customized to fit the requirements of your document, with options for mandatory or optional fields, and the ability to tailor fields to specific signers if there are multiple parties involved. Carefully consider the needs of your document and apply fields that ensure clarity for the signer, making the entire process smooth and efficient. Take your time to review the placement and type of each field to ensure that they align with the structure and intent of your document. When all necessary fields are in place, your document is ready to be finalized and sent. By following these steps, you can confidently apply fields in Docusign, streamlining your workflow with professional and comprehensive documents that are easy for your signers to navigate. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner, this guide equips you with the know-how to make the most of Docusign.